Another day, another facts. 1. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is the closest planet to Earth. 2. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. 3. Venus has a similar size, composition, and gravity to Earth. 4. It is often referred to as Earth's sister planet or twin planet. 5. Venus has a thick atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, 96%, with traces of nitrogen and other gases. 6. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is about 92 times greater than Earth's, which is equivalent to being submerged about 1 kilometer underwater. 7. Venus has a very slow rotation, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation. 7. This means that Venus's day is longer than its year. 8. It orbits the Sun in about 225 Earth days. 9. Venus is sometimes called the morning star, or the evening star, because it is visible from Earth during certain times of the day. 1. Venus has a dense cloud cover made up of sulfuric acid droplets, which creates a thick, yellowish atmosphere. 2. The clouds on Venus move extremely fast, with hurricane-like winds blowing at speeds of up to 224 miles per hour, 360 kilometers per hour, at the cloud tops. 3. Despite being closer to the Sun than Earth, Venus is not the hottest planet in the solar system. 4. The runaway greenhouse effect caused by its thick atmosphere traps heat, leading to an average surface temperature of about 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. 4. The extreme temperatures and pressure on Venus make it inhospitable to life as we know it. 5. Venus does not have any moons or rings. 6. The surface of Venus is covered in vast plains, mountains, and thousands of volcanoes. 7. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system, with over 1,600 identified volcanic features. 8. Some of the volcanic features on Venus are immense in size, such as Mayat Mons, which is about 5 miles, 8 kilometers, high, making it one of the tallest mountains in the solar system. 9. Venus has a relatively young surface, with evidence of volcanic activity and resurfacing occurring within the past few hundred million years. 10. The Soviet Union's Venera program was the first to successfully land spacecraft on the surface of Venus. 10. The first successful landing occurred in 1970 with Venera 7. 1. The extreme conditions on Venus make it challenging to explore. 1. The high temperatures, corrosive atmosphere, and intense pressure make it difficult for spacecraft to survive for extended periods. 2. The most recent mission to Venus was the Bepi-Colombo spacecraft, launched by the European Space Agency and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency in 2018. 2. However, its primary mission is to study Mercury, with some observations of Venus during flybys. 3. Several future missions to Venus are being planned, including NASA's Veritas, Venus Emissivity, Radio Science, INSAR, Topography, and Spectroscopy, and Da Vinci Plus, Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry, and Imaging, missions, which aim to study Venus's surface and atmosphere in more detail. 4. Venus has a phenomenon called infrared glows, that appear to be generated by interactions between the atmosphere and the planet's surface. 4. The exact cause of these glows is still not fully understood. 5. The possibility of microbial life existing in the upper cloud layers of Venus has been suggested due to the presence of phosphine gas detected in the atmosphere. 5. However, this is still a topic of scientific debate and further research is needed. 6. Venus has been a subject of fascination for astronomers and scientists throughout history. 6. Early astronomers mistakenly thought Venus was two separate objects, a morning star and an evening star, due to its brightness and visibility during different times of the day. 7. The first detailed map of Venus was created using radar images from NASA's Magellan mission, which orbited the planet from 1990 to 1994. 7. It provided a high-resolution view of Venus's surface and helped scientists understand its geology. 1. Venus has a tenuous ionosphere, a layer of charged particles in its upper atmosphere. 2. The magnetosphere of Venus is much weaker than Earth's, which allows the solar wind to directly interact with its atmosphere. 3. Venus experiences no significant seasons due to its minimal axial tilt of about 3 degrees. 4. The length of a Venusian year, orbital period, is roughly 225 Earth days, while a Venusian day, rotation period, takes approximately 243 Earth days. 5. Venus has phases similar to the Moon as seen from Earth, ranging from a full Venus to a crescent Venus. 6. The transit of Venus across the face of the Sun, known as a Venus transit, is a rare astronomical event that occurs in pairs separated by 8 years, with more than a century between pairs. 6. The most recent Venus transit occurred in 2012, and the next one will happen in 2117. 7. The discovery of the Venusian atmosphere's thick carbon dioxide composition led to the realization that the greenhouse effect could occur on Earth, raising concerns about global warming and climate change. 8. Venus is one of the 4 terrestrial planets in our solar system, along with Mercury, Earth, and Mars. 8. Terrestrial planets are primarily composed of rock and metal. 9. Venus has a unique pattern of cloud features called bow-shaped, or Y-shaped, clouds, which are thought to be related to atmospheric circulation patterns. 1. The Soviet Union's Venera 9 mission, launched in 1975, was the first mission to send back images of the surface of Venus. 2. Venera 9's images revealed a rocky, barren landscape with a reddish hue due to the high iron content of the rocks. 3. Venus has a phenomenon called Venusian dawn, where a brightening of the upper atmosphere occurs before sunrise, creating a glowing effect. 4. Venus is often referred to as Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, but it also has significant differences, such as its extreme temperatures and dense atmosphere. 5. The study of Venus has provided valuable insights into the processes that shape terrestrial planets and the effects of extreme conditions on a planet's atmosphere and surface. 6. Venus has been visited by a total of 16 spacecraft, including orbiters and landers, from various space agencies around the world. 7. The European Space Agency's Venus Express mission, which operated from 2006 to 2014, provided detailed observations of Venus's atmosphere, including its weather patterns and the presence of a double vortex at the planet's south pole. 8. Venus is often referred to as Earth's evil twin, due to its hostile conditions and runaway greenhouse effect. 9. Venus has been a target for potential future human exploration and colonization. 9. However, the challenges posed by its harsh environment make it a formidable undertaking. 10. The surface temperature of Venus remains nearly constant throughout the planet, with very little variation between the equator and the poles. This covers the first 5 pages of facts about Venus. Let me know if you'd like to continue with more facts. Thanks for watching.